I bet you have a lot of questions about the loop, so we're going to just have a little jam session here, and hopefully we'll answer some of those questions.
Hello? You are there? Very good. I let it go. It just come out of space. Watch.
Whoa! This is amazing.
Floating.
No way.
Floating.
That's my ring.
That's your ring. I can touch my finger with it, you see, like that. And it bends. It's another loop.
No way.
I think it's me.
It's both. It's all of us. It's all of us.
No, I have more energy than you.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Come right back, and you're totally clean.
How did you do that?
In my mind that the hands is made out of magnets, and plastic is made out of metal. And if I move the magnet here, it just falling down.
That was amazing.
And I go into the room and I see, I look at the lights, at the conditions, and this, and I start with just the moving.
See that?
It sure moves.
It's absolutely awesome.
Illusion that you create, you became like almost like a miracle maker. You create something from nothing. And that's what I like about it.
What's coming up has to fall down. Look.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Huh?
With the signature, the card going to disappear, you believe it or not. Those, it's not one of those, right? It's not. Okay, it's not one of those. And even not this one and that one and that one. And even it's not that one. It doesn't matter what. See? Now you believe it or not. What was the card? What's that?
Make it. Make it. Go. Yeah, one with two hands. Up. Oh, you saw that?
You see the deck?
No
Whoa.
way. Oh my God.
The versatility that you can do so many different things with the same tool. And people don't have even a clue about how you do what you do. And the main reason is because when you create a miracle, it just seems like it's out of the blue.
You saw? It's nice.
Both.
You're scaring me.
That wasn't my intention, you know.